Hello, here we are with Mill Creek Family Farms AKC Champion Line Cockapoos. We have Candy and John Wayne's litter here. Their hair's getting long enough, their collars aren't showing very well. But here they are. This litter is 5 boys and 1 girl. We got Charlie right here is the light color boy. And then if you can see their collars, orange right here is Lawford. And oh, everybody's in a pile. Okay. This is Bocce. She is usually pink, but she doesn't have a collar on right now. She's our 1 girl. So there's Bocce. And then we have Mr. Green here. And then, oh, you guys are so wiggly. And then we have yellow here is Milo. And then orange here is Lawford. And then blue here is Buckley. Ah! Everybody's getting me. Yes, I see you. So there they are. They're doing good. Oh, I'm getting licked here. Okay, hello. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Go play, guys. Come here, puppies. Come here, puppies. You can see all their tails going. Okay. Here, you want something else? I just want to play. Here, here. See if that'll calm them down for a minute. Oh, if I squat down, they just want to be out here. They are 6.5 weeks old now. That's one of those kneecap treats. They love those, especially when they're brand new. So I thought that might keep them busy for a minute. They love those. Those are on our store, which just gives you a link to Amazon. They got, I told everybody in the email, but they got, oh hi, yes, I shouldn't have squatted down. They got a face trim this week. Oh, Buckley's still gonna get the toy over there, huh? They got a face trim this week. They got a sanitary trim. And they got their nails trimmed for a 2nd time. We try to do things like that with them pretty regularly, so they're just from the beginning getting used to, hello there. So just from the very beginning, they're getting used to being handled like that, so. You got Buckley and Milo on the bone. And Charlie's wandering around, seeing what's going on. Lawford up here by me. Green is going to check out the baby toy. And then Miss Bocce's just seeing what's going on, huh? It has rained and rained and rained here. I was hoping to maybe get one more out on the porch video while they're outside before the weather got bad. Yesterday was my best bet and I didn't get it done. But it has been rainy and getting chilly here. Oh, Buckley's taking the kneecap, taking the bone. Yes, yes, I see you. I see you. What? What is it, Bocce? What is it? They're doing really good. You can tell. Active and running around and playing and tearing up toys. Wanted to give you a glimpse of them. Here is they're just about a 1.5 weeks from starting to go home. They'll have their vet visit next week for their health check. And then they'll be going home at 8 weeks old. So, oh, getting up on the tower. Lawford, what is it? What do you think? You just don't know what to do. What do you think, Lawford, huh? Hey, Green. Hey, Charlie. And Milo, yes. Okay. Okay, come here, puppies. Come here, puppies. Let's see everybody's face one more time. One more time. One more time. Oh, Milo's got the bone. Milo. Hey, Milo. Okay. There they are, doing good. We'll be in touch with you and get you pictures on their 7-week birthday on Tuesday. And you'll be snuggling with them before too long. Okay. Bye-bye, babies. Bye-bye, babies. All right. If you have any questions for us, you can call us, email us, or visit us on our website at www.millcreekfamilyfarms.com. All right. I'll talk to you soon.